To make a wasp trap, first find a 2-liter plastic bottle and cut the top off just below the neck. Then turn the neck of the bottle upside down and insert it into the bottom half of the bottle to create a funnel. Tape the cut edges of each half together. Next, pour water into the bottle until it's about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, below the bottom of the funnel, and add a few drops of dish soap. The dish soap will make it so the wasps can't fly out of the water. If you're making the trap in the spring, pour some meat grease into the bottle, since wasps look for protein during the spring. If you're putting the trap out in the summer, add vinegar and jam to the bottle, since wasps will be attracted to sugar in the summer. Don't use honey or you could end up attracting honeybees. Finally, place the trap outdoors and wait for it to fill with wasps. The bait will attract wasps, and then they'll get trapped when they fly down through the funnel. Once the trap is full, pour more soapy water down the funnel to make sure all of the wasps are stuck. Finally, seal the trap in a plastic bag and dispose of it in the trash.